Okay, YouTube, so if you've been following me in the past, I fabricated a off-road bumper for my cousin's Hilux, which is this one, and I also included a tire carrier swing out. So we decided that the swing out that I made for him wasn't really good, really up to with the standard that we like. So we fabricated, I fabricated a new one. So this one is sort of like the one I have on my truck. Okay, so everything here is similar to the one that I have on my truck. My cousin saw the one I have on my truck and he likes it. So he says, hey, build me another one. So I said, okay. So here it is. Everything that you see here is similar to it. Like the tire plate here, this is where the spare tire will go onto. As you can see, it's angled a little bit. Okay, and gusset, triangular gusset, so that it'll hold the weight. So the first swing out was really heavy, but this one right here, it's really light. And so I actually, like I said earlier, I copied the one I have on my truck. This is a light tire carrier, but it's heavy duty built. So as you can see here, we made a ladder, a utility rack right here, and we made it so that we could bolt the jerry can holders onto it. You see one bolt, two bolt here, one bolt, two bolt here. So you can, if he wants to, he can take whichever he wants out and to his liking. Okay, and in the future, if he wants to put grandma right here, we could build a chair for grandma and tie her here. Who knows? So we're going to be moving, well, he is, not me. So he's going to be moving that license plate to here. That's where I just tacked that one on. Well, I stitch welded it on. So he's going to do that. Here, I copied the one on my truck as well. This thingamajig right here is a, what do you call it? It's sort of like a safety lock. So this truck has this latch right here is the primary latch that latches the swing out to the bumper. However, in the event of an emergency, if this latch should fail for any unknown reason, we have this to hold it. So it's rock solid, and I'll have my cousin pull this while I open this latch. There you go. See? So, and voila. And so this latch is like a safety latch, which prevents the swing out from swinging out. Okay, so we have three safety latches, or safety backup. Okay, so this is the primary. Okay, this is the primary. Goes here. So all of this, we did this from scratch. So this is the secondary. The third is a lock here. We can put a master lock here, lock it, and so it protects him, his cargo area, prevents people from going into his cargo area, and keeps it safe. So that's what we have. So everything that you see here, we started out from scratch. Here, if you followed us in the last episode or last mini episode, however episode ago, we bought this spindle hub right here. And so we ended up using the old spindle hub because it's still good. And of course, we ended up gusseting this part right here with another 2x2 square tube to help with strength. And I know that many people are going to give me grief on this. They're going to say, hey, the other guy, this thing's going to break because it's only a 2x2. You should have given a 4x4 or 4x2. Well, I'll be honest with you. On my truck right there, I've had that thing on for about a year now, and it's still good. So if you do this thing right here will reinforce the strength that is required to hold your spare tire, your jerry can, or grandma. And yeah, works out really swell. I'll be honest with you, it's a hard job. Even though it was fun, it's really hard, but we liked it. This is the second week that we did this on weekend, so this is the second weekend that we did this project together, and it was fun. So the base here, I used a 1/4 inch, right?
Like a 5/8.
5/8, yeah, plate, and I welded it together like this. So he's gonna be the one who is gonna clean out all of this up, and he's gonna paint it over. And he's one lucky, happy-go-lucky guy. Yeah, he's pretty lucky. Oh, happy. So he's gonna go home, and his wife's gonna be happy, and he's gonna make love to his wife. You know. Yeah. So that's that, guys. I'll show you how this thing opens. Did I show him how this thing's open already?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show you what I did here too. So because this is a tube, it's a solid 4x4 tube. What we ended up doing was we didn't want to drill into here, so we made these little dovetails here, so that it'll hold into place. Watch, my cousin's gonna open. Okay. Yep. Okay, so it's gonna come. See that? This opens and locks at 90 degrees here, and then if you open some more, this thing locks at 180 degrees. Yeah, so yeah, that's our little thingamajig here. We really enjoy doing this work, even though it's really hard. It's very, very satisfying to see your idea come into fruition. And so yeah, guys, let me know what your thoughts are.